It's moving day. I've sold your house, you're ready to go. Well, believe it or not, moving is one of the top 3 stressors in the United States. That being divorce, death, and moving. Top 3. So it's a stressful day, but here's some tips to make your day way more enjoyable. First of all, find a place for your pet to go. That seems to be one of the top stressors, is where do we put the dog while we're moving and closing and all that stuff. Maybe they need to go doggy daycare for the day, or kitty cat friend or something. Then make sure that everything is labeled. Make sure you're labeled living room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. It really helps in the unpacking and the organization when you're actually ready to unpack everything in the new house. 3, hand carry your valuables. Make sure that that is something that you're really looking for. Like if you have a nice iPad or a virtual headset or something that's expensive, let's put that in your car. Let's not put that in the moving truck because it's just too much stress. Then another tip would be, when you get to the other house, the house you're moving into, this is my best tip. You or someone you designate, most likely though you, stand at the door, and every item that comes in that door, you direct where that item goes. Don't expect other people to know what bedroom 1 is, what bedroom 3 is, or even where the kitchen is for that matter, but you be the director. You make sure all the places and all the pieces go the right way that they go. And find a friend to bring you dinner. If you can't find a friend to bring you dinner, text me. I'll bring you dinner. Well, there's a scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown as apple pie.